Toyota will use Maruti Suzuki's low-cost manufacturing expertise to develop the new MPV. The new Toyota MPV is likely to get hybrid and electric powertrains. The new C-segment MPV will be supplied to Maruti Suzuki. It will be positioned above the Maruti Suzuki Ertiga. Yesterday, Toyota Motor Corporation, Toyota and Suzuki Motor Corporation, Suzuki, revealed more details about their collaboration. According to the latest announcement, Toyota will develop a new C-segment MPV that will be jointly developed with Suzuki. The said MPV will be positioned above the Toyota-badged Ertiga, and will also be supplied to Maruti Suzuki. Apart from the new MPV, Maruti Suzuki will supply the C-segment Ertiga to Toyota. The official statement from Toyota said, drawing upon Suzuki's expertise in developing vehicles in India, joint development of a Toyota C-segment MPV and OEM supply to Suzuki. The new Toyota MPV will be engineered to meet the company's requirements, while Maruti Suzuki will offer its low-cost manufacturing and development expertise to Toyota. Details about the new Toyota MPV are scarce at the moment. However, we can expect the new Toyota MPV to receive hybrid and electric powertrains. The scope of the partnership between Toyota and Suzuki extends to the global markets as well. For instance, Toyota will supply the electric versions of the RAV4 and the Corolla wagon to Suzuki for the European markets. Moreover, Suzuki will provide its newly developed petrol engines to Toyota, which will be re-engineered by Denso and Toyota and will be manufactured at Toyota Motor Manufacturing, Poland. Furthermore, the made-in-India Toyota-badged Baleno, Ciaz, Vitara Brezza and Ertiga will be sold in the African markets. While Toyota's version of the Baleno will be launched in India later this year, the company will start manufacturing the Vitara Brezza at Toyota's factory in Bidadi, Karnataka from 2022. Apart from India, Toyota will also supply the Toyota Hybrid System (THS) to Suzuki for the global markets. As part of the agreement, Toyota will supply the next-generation Corolla Altis to Maruti Suzuki in India, which will help India's largest carmaker to penetrate the D segment.